I'm working on how to kill fear factor which we have. While working on that, I have realized two key factors. Number one, anxiety which is treated medically, and number two, anxiety which is not treated medically. If a person has an anxiety disorder, medical anxiety disorder, we can treat that anxiety using some medications, anti-anxiety drugs. We can use and we can resolve that. But if the person has speech anxiety, anxiety which is related to not talking with the people, anxiety which is related to social phobia, then the people need to learn certain techniques in order to control that anxiety, or in order to stop developing that anxiety. If you have learned that techniques, will not give space to grow that anxiety. If you have not learned that, your mind is empty, your thoughts is full, but your mind is empty. That empty will be filled with anxiety. Whatever you have inside, you cannot express. The moment you express with lot of courage and lot of positive energy which you have, but still you're not delivering it confidently or effectively, your voice is shaky and you're not looking confident, some fear we can easily see, which is not effective or which may not give a positive impression to the people who are listening to you. If people are listening to you, that's your responsibility to hook them. Before delivering something, you need to learn certain techniques how you can share your message to the people. First, you need to learn how to control your body organs, how to control your vital organs. If you control your vital organs, if your hand is moving like this, it should move with your permission. It should not move without your permission. For example, if you're delivering certain speech, unintentionally, without knowing, your hand is going like this or like this or like this. That means you don't have control towards your body organs, vital organs. How you can control people? If you're sharing certain message, you need to control their mindset. You need to control their thoughts, stating that, hey, take this message which could be helpful to you in order to climb ladder in your life, whether it might be in your professional life or personal life, right? If your vital organs are under your control, then definitely your message is clear and your message will reach to the targeted audience for sure.